Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Hader. Today we're going to talk about investing in stocks for beginners. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating, but it can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. In this video, we'll go over some basics to help you get started. First, let's define what a stock is. A stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. If the company does well, the value of your stock will increase, and you can sell it for a profit. To buy stocks, you'll need to open a brokerage account. There are many online brokerages available, and they make it easy to buy and sell stocks. You'll need to link your bank account to your brokerage account to transfer money in and out. There are two main types of stocks: common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks give you voting rights in the company, while preferred stocks have priority in receiving dividends. As a beginner, you'll likely want to focus on common stocks. Choosing stocks can be tricky, but there are some basic things to look for. You'll want to look at the company's financials, including revenue, earnings, and debt. You'll also want to look at the industry the company is in, and any recent news or events that may affect its stock price. Investing in stocks comes with risks, and it's important to be aware of them. The value of your stocks can go down as well as up, and you could lose money. It's important to diversify your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one basket. So that's a basic overview of investing in stocks for beginners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel Finance with Hader for more videos on personal finance and investing. Remember to do your research, start small, and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate gains. Investing is a long-term game, and with patience and discipline, you can grow your wealth over time.